How to hide likes on Facebook. If you want to make sure your likes count is hidden on Facebook, this video is for you. So at the end of this video, you can make sure the count on your Facebook reactions will be hidden. In this case, you can see 67, but after the end of this video, yours will not be counted. And to get it done is pretty simple and easy. Make sure your Facebook app is launched. In this case, I'm already on my Facebook app. On the top right corner, continue to click on your profile menu. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and this will land you on an interface like this. Make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate settings and privacy, and continue to click on it. A drop-up menu will open again. Continue to click on settings again. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then on this interface, we are going to scroll down a bit until we locate reactions preferences. Then make sure to click it, and this is where the magic will happen. If you want to hide number of reactions on your post, you're going to make sure you toggle on your post alone. This will make sure that other people won't see the total number of reactions under posts you share to your profile. And besides, reactions count will still appear on your posts in other places like groups and other content like reels. But this is going to make sure that your post that you created on Facebook, the likes and reactions and all the emojis will be hidden. And if you want to also hide the reactions on posts from others, you're going to make sure you toggle on this. So this is going to make sure both yours and the other people's own won't be counted. That's it. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.